Okay, today we're going to take a look at a nice little Zippo I just got. Now this one arrived in the normal black box with the protective sleeve around it, and it simply says Spazuk on the sleeve. It's the normal Zippo black box. It also just says Spazuk on the label. This is a genuine Zippo made in the USA in Bradford, PA. Now this Stephen Spazuk artistic work is on a white matte finish, and this one was made in, looks like H. I believe that's an H of 17, which is either July or August. Got a really good sound. Steel insert, lights up nice. Now that is a Starling playing with a grenade, soon to be a vanished Starling in the puff of smoke. So let's do a drop test on this Stephen Spazuk Zippo. Okay, so the Stephen Spazuk passes the drop test nicely. And this is going to go somewhere in my white section of my Zippo collection, which there's most of my white Zippos. Gonna have to start a new page with this Spazuk Zippo. But if you're ever in the position where you find something like this lying on the ground, don't be a Starling and mess around with that pin. This guy definitely deserves some cowbell. Knuckle bomb.